This is an example of hypothetical, and here's the video and the problem. Here's a problem. As you can see, the length is 6 centimeters and the width is 2 centimeters. So I'm going to label them with L and W for length and width. This is the area. It will equal square centimeters. A perimeter will equal 2 centimeters. So first is going to be area. The equation for the area will be length times width. So I'm going to write it down. So I'm going to match with the letters that says L and W with my equation. So I'm going to write down first the L. So 6 times the width, that's 2. And 6 plus 2 equals 12. And that meaning is going to equal to 12 square centimeters. I'm going to write it down. So I'm going to write it down right there in the line. The next part will be to look for the perimeter. And I'm going to write down perimeter. And the equation for a perimeter will be length plus width plus length plus width. As you can see on the top, I already had labels, so it's easy for me to see. Now I'm going to label length, that equals 6. The width, that's the 2. And again, the length, that's 6. And again, the width, that's 2. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. Another 6 plus 2 equals 8. And that meaning if you add them together, 8 plus 8 equals 16. That meaning it's going to give you 16 centimeters for the perimeter. I'm going to write down the top. As you can see, the equation for the area is length times width. And for the perimeter, it's length times plus width plus length plus width.